Hey guys, so today we're just going to give you a really short video just to show our LSX swap kit that we've designed for the E46 chassis. We'll give you a quick little run through on showing the engine mounts being installed onto the engine block, the sump, how it looks after it's gone on that we supply, and putting the dipstick in. We have an empty engine bay here that shows the radiator that we make with shroud and fan already installed. We'll go through this in a bit more detail in later videos, but as I said, this is just a real quick one just to show you how some of these parts go together for those of you who have already bought some of our kits and just want to reference some of the initial stages of installing. So it's pretty basic, just some Allen head bolts that hold the engine mount brackets to the block. These just get done up to a reasonable torque setting, and you can check those against the OEM fitment or whatever you think is best. We go with about 50 Newton meters. The dipstick goes into the block, which there is a little Welsh plug that just needs to be knocked out and allows you to put in the dipstick tube that we supply. It just presses in with an O-ring seal and then just bolts to the side of the cylinder head. And that's all we've got for you today, guys, but we promise to get some more to you in the next couple of weeks and hopefully something a bit more enjoyable. But this is the start of all the fun.